often get asked why I prefer to perform total joint replacement surgeries in our state-of-the-art Outpatient Surgery Center located in our beautiful FishHawk complex. That question is actually very easy to answer. At the OMG Surgery Center, we have hired the best anesthesia staff, the best nursing staff, the best therapy staff, and the best administrators to ensure that we provide the highest level of care to our patients. Although there is still excellent care being provided in the hospitals throughout the region, there is a complete loss of control on my end, and that's what I regain when I perform the same surgery at our surgery center. I believe that I can provide a level of unmatched care when I control all of the variables as much as possible, like I'm able to do at my surgery center. From a safety standpoint and an infection standpoint, the surgery center is unparalleled. We are able to provide a personal service that is simply impossible at the hospital, where there are dozens of other doctors and patients requiring varying amounts of attention and sometimes high-level care. At our surgery center, you, the patient, are the only priority. Around this country, there are many centers like ours that are performing thousands of surgeries a year, including very high volumes of successful total hip and total knee replacement surgeries. Our skilled anesthesia staff provides spinal anesthesia and localized blocks that allow our patients to ambulate sometimes as early as 30 to 45 minutes after their surgery. Our patients will perform exercises and even use the stairs with our incredible athletic trainers and therapists. Afterwards, they're free to go home, where they can sleep in their own beds and begin the rehabilitation process in the comfort of their own homes. I encourage you to come to check out our beautiful complex and surgery center here in FishHawk. We are so proud of the care we are providing to our patients. Furthermore, I urge you to question your primary care doctors about having outpatient total joint replacement surgery. If they need any additional information or have any lingering questions, I would be happy to discuss with them personally why outpatient total joint surgery at our surgery center is second to none.